You, do you want... What are you doing? Yan. Busy ang aking hubby sa mga binili kong gulay galing sa Divisoria. Siya yung nag-aayos paglagay sa fridge. Kaso tinatanggal niya yung mga dahon, tinatapon niya yung dahon ng celery at sibuyas. Hindi daw yun allowed kainin. Naku, sayang naman. So, do you need to put in the garbage all of that?
No.
Huh?
No.
I thought you put in the garbage.
No.
So what is that? Celery. Huh?
I need a bag, a nice bag. This.
Oh, siya yung nag-aayos ng mga pinamili ko. Kararating ko lang galing ng Divisoria. Ayan. Oh, you need to explain to them what are you doing.
I'm just cleaning it. And I throw away stuff that's dirty.
Dirty, the leaves in the onion is not dirty. And why you put it in the garbage?
Because it's completely dirty. We don't ever eat that. We always throw that away.
And yung pinamili ko, yung kanyang paboritong patatas na maliliit. At saka yung white onion. Ayan.
Now that's good. That's very good.
Yeah,
Too heavy.
Ayan. Ayan yung napamili ko. Sa halagang 1.
Here, look. You don't eat this. I throw that away. See? Here.
Okay, you throw away. Later, I make chop suey with chicken. Okay? Do you want me to cook later or you don't want to cook?
No, later.
You cook or I cook?
No, you cook.
Okay.
But the chicken, you have to take the bone out.
Yeah, I know.
And I want to see what you do because you throw in dirty stuff.
Okay. Ayaw niyang may buto yung chicken, ayaw niyang may taba. Gusto niya yung meat lang ng chicken. Tapos pag nagluluto ako, wala siyang tiwala. Babantayan niya ako kasi ako may lalagay ko yung buto at saka yung skin. Kasi ang lasa ng chicken nasa skin at saka sa bones. Eh siya ayaw niya kasi nakakamatay daw ng maga.